Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. Can I just... But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna be.
Hi guys, so ngayon Day 2 and magla-lunch kami sa LU Inasal.
Baka 6 minutes away.
6 minutes away lang.
So, agenda namin is to try yung mga ibang restaurant. Food trip. Day 2.
But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less Monday.
Masarap. Solid. 120 lang. Solid.
Mangga.
Lunch time.
Pwede tayo na pasta.
Never. Thanks. Ano rating nito?
8.
Yung shake 10. Wala ka mo lang inumin kagad. Cha, anong rating mo, Cha? 5. 8. Eko? 2. 5? 8 din. Baka labos. After lunch. Kasya pa bang mga outfit? Yan.
Pwede na daw ulit mga tao, si Bini.
Lemoj!
So why would I follow you when you're the
Kape kahit sobrang init na.
Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you?
Spanish latte.
Lipat na tayo sa Masa, be?
Masa, here we go.
Hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply.
So, up next, i-judge namin yung kamote donut nila and dulce de leche, dark choco, and chocolate. So, kapag may butas, made in kamote daw. Pag wala, ito yung legit na donut na.
Now we will try the chocolate donut. Grabe yung lambot ng bread nila, be. Kasi yung lambot mo.
So, yung chocolate na to, hindi nakakaumay.
Donut with dulce de leche.
Taste test.
Pero ang sarap din.
Must try naman talaga yung pastry sa Masa. Last donut to try. Cheers! Grabe! Yun ang masasabi ko. Pang mamahali yung lasa niya. Dark na for me. Mas dark pa.
Darker yan.
Darker chocolate.
Darkest.
Yeah, sorry. Ice.
Parang alam mo, iced tea with Victoria's Secret.
Nasty na may something na floral. Actually, both refreshing siya. Fruity or flowery.
And cut. Dinner time.
Would you visit and would you do?
What choice had the greatest impact on your life?
I don't usually cry.
Where are you falling short of your potential?
It always close, ranging from
Where is a lack of courage holding you back?
to made of people.
What beliefs have you had from other people that don't serve you now?
Feeling of being alone.
What event in your past are you too scared to talk about?
Where I'm going.
How do you best receive criticism?
As a child, what rules were made to be broken?
If you had to switch places with another person, who would you choose? Morning guys, so time check is 8:56 at naka-check out namin and papuntang vegan. Try namin ng mga food doon and Calle Crisono pa.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo.
Asin.
Stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clock back.
So ang kukunin namin guys, package B. Yan, package B tayo. Lahat mabibigyan ng bigas.
Para sa bigas.
Oh yeah, now sun baby through the cracks. Wake up cold on rain.
Aww.
Ayaw nila.
Kagat-kagat lang ha, kagat-kagat. Huwag mo iatras. Wow.
Clouds that do, them just passing by. Sunshine in my pockets, gotta catch a golden sky. Mama said like not bad, but you are the spice.
Oh, any last word?
Your love to make it bubble up. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, no time for sorrow. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, shake up 'cause wake up tomorrow. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, ain't no fit finish. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, now you road we dey try. Oh, struggles go come, struggles go go, like breeze they blow. I'm trying to get, oh yeah, second my get it like shake, get out, I'm fresh. Love to make it bubble up, oh yeah, now, oh yeah, no time for sorrow, oh yeah, now, oh yeah, shake up 'cause wake up tomorrow, oh yeah, now, oh yeah, ain't no fit finish.
Time check tayo guys, 5:19 PM at dito kami magdi-dinner sa Cafe Leona. Sige boss, dito.
Hi! We're gonna go home.
Bye kayo.